Type RG8u. Nominal impedance 50 ohm. Length 100 F. Aluminum braid. Amphenol PL-259 connectors, center male pin. On both ends these cables are assembled and tested in our store. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable, well made, heavy duty. Is very high quality cabling for HF, UHF, VHF radios. Makes a great RF choke on your antenna and has very low loss at 100 feet. Some of the best cable I have ever had are used. Great for HF. Works well on 80 through 10 meter bands. I run this cable on a multi-band antenna and would recommend for such, but would not recommend for VHF, UHF bands. Not good. I do not like this coax. I do not like the aluminum foil and the aluminum braid. Very hard to solder. My antenna SWR went high with this coax. Went back to some 213 I had and everything was fine. Past the window for return. I guess I'll use it for a clothesline. Hate the price, but it's worth it. Quality 100%. This is great low loss 50 ohm coax. I've tried to save money on cheaper coax, but I am always disappointed and end up buying another run of 50 or 100 feet of this.